guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Shardemarie. If you are new here, welcome. And today we are doing my third installment of my holiday glam looks. I told you guys I was going to pump out these glam looks for you guys for the holiday season. This time we went grungy, we went green and gold. I love this look as well. I actually might wear this look for a holiday party I'm going to in the next couple of weeks because I plan on wearing green. So I just think this is perfect for those ladies who could be wearing green, who wants to go a little bit more grungy for the holiday season. This look here is for you. So if you want to see how to get this look, then continue to keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's hop into this look. We are going green today, hence the green shirt. Yeah, so we are going green today. As you guys can see, I already have my eyes mainly prepped. I have my eye tapes and I did prime my eyes with a eye primer. I'm using the Viseart eye primer that I got in a BoxyCharm. I don't know how many months ago, but it came in a BoxyCharm. And please don't mind the headband. I have this head wrap on, this elastic band on, so I can lay down the lace. So while we're doing our makeup, it could be laid as much as possible. Alright, so we're going green this time around, you guys. So the palette of choice today is going to be my Subculture palette from ABH. So if you have this palette, pull it out. If you don't, just try to find a palette in your collection that has all the greens and browns and mustard yellow tones if you have it. But this is the palette that we're going to be using today. So the first color we're going to go into is this color called New Wave. It's like a mustard, where is it? Like a mustard yellow color, and we're going to place that in our outer corners and start rubbing it into our crease as well. Okay. That took some building up, I'll tell you that much. And if you don't have one of these, so what I'm using, because I'm going to use the same brush, is a color swipe thing. I forgot which brand does it. It's a name brand that does it. But basically, if you don't have time to wash the brush or whatever, in the middle of you doing your makeup, you can just use this and just wipe off the color. So you can use the next color that you need to do with the same brush. So the next color I'm going to go into is called Edge. It's this yellow color right here, like this dirty yellow, green yellow looking color. We're going to go in there and we're going to place that in the crease area. Again, using the same brush. Okay, I know it don't look like there's nothing there, but just trust the process. Okay, so next we're going to go into our third color. So we're going to go into the color called Fudge, which is this chocolate brown right here, and we're going to place that in the outer corners and in the crease area as well, just a little bit below it. Okay, So next color that we're going to go into is a color called Untamed. Please don't mind my nails, we already know. Untamed, it is this deep forest green color, and that too is going to go in the crease area, but we're bringing it more in to our lids. Okay, and the last color we're going to take within this palette is this color here called Axis, which is like a very deep blue, bluish green color, and we're placing that over the rest of the eyes, and we're going to blend it in with that Untamed color. And I'm just taking a flat shader brush for this. Okay, so this is where we're at. I know, very grungy, very dark, but we're going to lighten this up a little bit. So I'm going to take my Tiate London, the Velvet palette. This is what this looks like. This was in a BoxyCharm, and I'm going to take this gold color right here, and we're going to place that in the center of our eyelids and spread it out towards the middle. And you can use a brush if you have long nails, but because I have no nails on, I'm just going to use my finger, and this is what that color looks like, and we're just going to place it all over the lid. And there we go, see a little pop, just to make it not look so grungy and still make it look as holiday as possible. So now we can remove our eye tapes. Now time for liner. I'm using gel liner. I'm using my NYX. Oh, that's not the brush I'm gonna use. I'm using my NYX Jet Black Gel Liner and Smudger. And because this is dramatic, we're going to make a dramatic wing this time around compared to the second glam look I did where it wasn't as dramatic. This one is going to be a tad bit exaggerated just because of how grungy and deep this eye look is. For once, my eyeliners match. For once they match. Okay. So for mascara, we're taking my Damn Girl mascara, and I'm going to put on my E1s. I showed you guys what my E1s look like so many times. They are my favorite lashes for natural looks, for dramatic looks, no looks. And I just want some lashes on. Like, they give me that natural dramatic effect, and I really love them. But you can choose whatever lashes that you want. If you have like real dramatic lashes that you feel like would probably be best for this look, then you can do that. So what I'm gonna do is put these lashes on. I'm gonna do my face off camera, and then we'll be back to finish up the eyes and do the lips. So I'll see you guys. Okay guys, so face is now on. So now we're gonna finish up the eyes. I'm gonna take my Kiss Black eyeliner and just run that in the waterline. Okay. Now you could smudge it out if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it like that because we do have so much going on up the top. Don't need to do that for the bottom. I'm going to use our mascara, run that on our lash line. Okay, so you can also do an inner corner, which I was thinking about doing, but I don't want to mess up the grunginess of this look, so I'm just going to leave it the way it is. So let's work on the lips. Right now my lips are set and ready to go. I was using my Bali Balm, again, got it from Bhakti Charm, to prep my lips. So I'm taking this brown lip liner. This is from Milani. This is in the color Coffee, I believe. The name rubbed off, but I do believe it was either coffee or dark brown. I think it's one of those. One thing for sure, two things for certain, yo. These lip liners glide on so bomb. So bomb. For lipstick, we're taking Darlingly Nude. Is a matte from Maybelline. And just place that in the center. You can set your face and leave it like this, but I'm not. So last but not least, I'm taking my lip gloss from ABH in the color Butterscotch. That is, unfortunately, I cannot find anywhere. So I think this color has been discontinued because I can't find it on the website. I can't find it on Sephora's website. When I search for it, it's on eBay. So I think they just discontinued this lip gloss color, which I'm sad about because it's like my fave. And we got the perfect nude. Well, at least for my skin tone, this is, I consider the perfect nude. And bow, pow, you guys, this is the makeup look for today. This is my holiday glam look number 3. This time we went super grungy. We went green this time because green is a holiday color. So yeah, so let's get into the slow motion. So, bam. I know y'all like that. And I got it. So anyway, you guys, that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my third installment of my holiday glam look. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on your bell notification to get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you guys so much for the support. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.